All right, guys.
Yeah, Gary
Welcome to the cute roast. This is what we do when we don't get anybody really famous to be a part of it, which means this is our life forever. Who should begin the roast proceedings?
First of all, this is not a cute roast क्योंकि इस पैनल पे बैंच एक इंसान क्यूट नहीं है.
I put lipstick, okay?
All right, begin with me. Begin with me. Let the roast of me begin. Can I start? All right. Okay, cool. Guys, Tanmay Bhatt lost 280 kgs last year. Basically, Rohan Joshi, Ashish Shakya, and Khamba.
Right off the bat.
Okay.
Can I do? Dude, Tanmay is doing so much, man. Like vlogs, gaming, reaction videos. The only people who work harder to get the attention of 12-year-olds are pedophiles.
12-year-old army. Thank you.
It's great that we're here having this live stream to raise money for Corona and raise subscribers for Tanmay.
Both equally important missions, okay?
It's great.
Very important.
Tanmay has been sitting on that chair in every single video for his new YouTube channel. Considering how much that chair supports him, it should be called Rohan, Khamba and Ashish. Last one.
That's funny.
Tanmay spends most of his day getting anonymous underage children to pay him money on live stream. Tanmay has the business model of a cam girl with the body of a YouTuber.
They say success comes when you shed blood, sweat, tears, but in Tanmay's case, it was tears. Tanmay's big on streaming now because it's the only place where he can control how big he looks compared to the rest of the people.
That is true.
Tanmay vlogs his entire life, which is great, but I just wish he had a life. I mean, just shut the fuck up with the whole Bihar topper rubbish. I don't want to know that, Tanmay. Just please, stop it. Everything Tanmay touches gets involved in a court case, including Ritviz. So,
Including what?
Including Ritviz. Can't wait for someone to get offended at Dheere Dheere Tal Lamha. Dheere Dheere Mala Mal. I can't wait.
Tanmay just moved into a new house with his close friends. And by close friends, I mean employees. And by employees, I mean Naveed se khana banana band kar wo toot jayega. Honestly speaking, it's not weird that Tanmay lives with his employees because they have that rare quality that everyone who lives with Tanmay has, Stockholm syndrome.
Is it only me or does Tanmay Bhatt look like the grown-up version of the Parle Ji girl? इसलिए सड़क के कुत्ते उसे अभी भी देख के एक्साइट होते हैं.
सड़क के कुत्ते?
Tanmay's career is proof that you can either die a path-breaking writer, comic creator, or you live long enough to see yourself become the reaction video guy.
मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ बैंचोद स्केच लिखते माधुरचोद उसके बाद आके मुझे पे जोक मारेगा ऐसे.
Guys, can I just give a huge shout out to Kanis's reaction after each joke? It's incredible. She's a show of her own. Unfortunately, she doesn't have a show of her own.
Wow. Didn't see that coming. Is it only me or does Tanmay Bhatt look like someone who wants to take a shit but is too lazy to go to the loo?
So
2 PM से बैठा है यार. मतलब I'm sure you wanted to go, so that's why.
Oh wow,
That's
you're
pretty
giving
funny.
a reasoning on.
I would like to respond to Mr. Abhish Mathew. Abhish Mathew, if you were in a threesome, you would be the fucking host.
Abhish Mathew is so short that even if you did a positive joke with Abhish, it's still punching down.
Oh, that's very funny.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going next. Abhish, show more popular for Son of Abhish. A show where you bring your popular friends and ask them questions and then get them to play games. if you used your friends anymore for work, we'd have to call you Kaniz.
Oh. Oh, by the way, I was ready to put my hand up right now, going, there it comes.
Joke is so good. It can work for Kaniz, it can work for Abish, it can work for Tanmay, it can work for Ashish, it can work for Neville, it can work for Varun. It just cannot work for Aishwarya Pavitra because no one knows them.
All the terrible things that came out of AIB's roast, Abhish's career was the worst.
Super chat, Sayak, Abish is such a wannabe that he's the only one standing right now.
I'm always standing. Always standing.
Sayak, damn good, dude. Damn good. Ashish, go for it.
Abish does this thing with Bacardi called Breeze of Vivid. It is the worst thing to be associated with Bacardi, and we're talking about a company whose logo at this point is a bat.
That's a really good one.
Abish does a lot of physical comedy. Like, he will use everything, his face, his elbows, his eyes, his arms, his legs, everything he will do to avoid writing a good joke.
I once borrowed Abhish's pink hoodie. It smelled weird, like failure or something. Like, who are you? Abhish Matthew?
Okay, guys, if you're a struggling actor, desperately trying to be relevant to find absolutely any attention whatsoever, then you'd be a guest on Son of a Beach. What I'm trying to say is, Varun Thakur, have you met Abish? Abish, have you met Varun Thakur? Maybe you guys can collaborate. It is ironic that 5-star sponsors Son of a Beach, a show where there are no stars. Seriously, the only people who are more desperate for 5 stars are Uber drivers. The only thing sold out at an Abish Matthew show is Abish Matthew.
Oh,
Abish, who would you like to roast next?
I would like to roast myself next. All right.
Abish Matthew is so desperate, he's going to roast himself.
All right, everybody. Abish Matthew is going to roast himself. Okay? It goes like this. Yo, I know what you've
Guys,
been
can we
thinking.
just mute?
It's pretty good. I get how it goes. Okay? It goes like this. Abish, he's so short. He's so fat. He's so single. He's so sad. He's so this. He's so that. Tries really hard to make you laugh. Too much energy on stage. What am I trying to compensate? The freshest joke I wrote was back in 2008. Not a special on Prime. It was called Whoop. Joke so cringe that even TikTok said, "Bhai, it's not good." Somebody his eyes. I probably got 2 views. Joke so old it could have started its own. Only positive news. That's right. Welcome to this fantastic Monday. This shirt is sponsored by a very good friend of mine. Son of a Beach, right? I got Son of a Beach. All right. Don't worry, I got Son of a Beach.
Oh!
Here we go. You think the show is stale? Guess what? I agree. Worst thing on Son of a Beach? It's me. I did seasons. I got no fame in it. Every million views has got a celebrity name in it. In the end, I gotta say, they call me Mr. Virgin. Now the boys got some game. Dating to this version 2.0 with a fresh new flow in a joke on me I haven't heard before. I walk a tightrope of self-aware and self-hate. You can't roast me cause I self-emulate.
Oh! Abish OP in the chat, please. Oh man.
feeling it.
Fuck, Abish, you really wanted to be good today.
Yes, I did. I put the fucking lights on.
It just proves that Tanmay does his best. I mean, Abhi does his best work when AIB is around.
I would like to choose none other than Muphat Aishwarya Mohan Raj.
Let's do it.
Aishwarya, you know, we as comedians are always looking to find our voice. It's so nice that Aishwarya has found hers. Desperation. Aishwarya is like bhai in a car after party, kisi pe bhi chad jayegi. Not saying that Aishwarya will sleep with anyone. I'm just saying Aishwarya will sleep with anything. Finally, I would like to say she studied pharmaceutical sciences. The only protein she cares about is keratin treatment. बहन बाल सीधे करने से हॉट नहीं बन जाते जैसे सेल्फी एंगल देने से डबल चिन कट नहीं जाते.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Oh, god damn! Oh my
You
god.
should have
That
gone-
was less of a roast and more of a therapy session, dude. What the fuck?
Aishwarya's jokes are like her jawline, no structure.
Please, don't
Like, just look at her face. Just look at her face. It's just like sad. It's just sad and
What?
round.
Are we doing?
She looks like a depressed vada pav.
Are we doing?
hard, okay?
If laughter is the best medicine, then Aishwarya's jokes are coronavirus. Okay?
Aishwarya keeps making self-deprecating jokes about how she doesn't get laid. Hey Aishwarya, please stay out of Ashish Shakya's joke territory. Nice.
Aishwarya,
Sick.
you're the only comedian on Comic Sun that I gave 10 on 10 to. A mistake of judgment so big that they kicked me out of Comic Stan season 2. They kicked me out for giving 10 on 10 to you.
Aishwarya went from competing in Comic Stan season 1 as the next big thing to script writing for Comic Stan season 2. That's like going from an Italian holiday to an Italian holiday in March 2020. Aishwarya keeps saying that she wants to date John Mayer. That's the funniest thing I've heard her say.
What has happened, Aishwarya?
Because it's a dream.
Aishwarya is such a baby face, her parents are considering still aborting her.
Oh my
Anirudh.
god, that's so funny.
Oh, that's
Anirudh, what a joke. What a fucking joke.
Okay, I want to roast Varun next.
Alright.
Because I feel my best jokes are with Varun.
Let me have a swig of the drink.
Because Varun,
He plays this guy called Vicky. I'm not saying I hate Vicky, but if he gets Corona, I will donate money to Corona. Let's see.
Varun Thakur has a younger brother, and when his parents were asked who they loved more, they immediately said Karan Talwar.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go. I have two.
वरुण ठाकुर लुक्स लाइक वो कसौल जाके भिखारियों से चरस चुराता है.
Varun looks like Vicky Kaushal got coronavirus.
Okay, wait, I've got.
Varun plays Vicky Malhotra, so he can be unfunny in two characters. Varun in Marathi means from above, whereas Varun Thakur means unfunny piece of shit from all directions.
Varun Thakur has screen tested for every movie and failed. At this point, he'll be thrilled if he passes the COVID-19 test.
I'm not saying that Varun Thakur has a small penis, but there was a reason we cast Abhish in that role.
Varun used to be a famous comedian in 2012, but then he became irrelevant. ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, the internet said so. Varun, much like me, started his career with television, then he did stand-up, then he formed a collective, and the collective went through trouble. Varun, the only difference between me and you is still that I still know the password to the AIP channel. Varun, you were in Jab Tak Hai Jaan. The last time I saw someone be Shah Rukh Khan's bitch, his name was Tanmay Bhatt. Thank you. Thank you.
Sometimes Varun role plays as Vicky in bed. That always leads to Vicky this side and girlfriend on other side of the bed.
I really appreciate the fact that Varun Thakur is so grounded, because even though he's a successful comic, he's still a struggling actor. It has been 15 years, Thakur. 15 years. Stop struggling. I know Rohingya refugees that have struggled less than you.
Oh man, nice. Okay. Varun, who would you like to take on next?
Cool. Let's roast Bawa.
Let's roast Bawa. Let's do it. Alright, can I start? I have the dumbest joke. Neville is a part-time advertiser, part-time comedian, but a full-time chutia. It's so stupid. Anyway, go on.
Neville has 2 specials on Amazon, which really motivates me to get a special on Netflix.
By the way, I've got 3 jokes on Neville. I'm going to say it. But before that, Aishwarya, how does it feel to be so close to a penis finally? Okay.
Oh, so good.
Neville thinks he's dark, angry, and an asshole. I know you, buddy. You're not dark. You're not angry. Next joke. Neville directed Kanan's comedy special. Neville directed Kenny's comedy special. Neville directed Naveen's comedies. Neville directed Azim's. Neville directed Sketchy Behavior. Buddy, if you're going to write the success of your friends so much, you might as well change your name to Ashish Shakya. And one final joke.
Or Abhish Matthew.
Or Abhish Matthew.
Or Abhish Matthew. Before every show, Neville tells his audience, guys, please don't record anything. After every show, audience tells Neville, thanks for the heads up.
I've got 2 on Neville. Neville is an extremely well-read person. I think he's read pretty much everything except the SNG partnership contract. SNG partnership contract.
How is it that a joke SNG is funnier than my mom?
Oh God.
Oh, man.
Baba is a senior copywriter at Ogilvy. What's the point, Baba? You still haven't been able to sell your comedy to anybody.
ECD, Bhadwe, ECD.
That was also a Neville thumbs up special, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, so Baba was so worried we would sideline him in this roast. He wrote jokes on himself and sent it to him.
Who would you like to go?
Pavi, let's do jokes on Pavi.
It's very difficult for 2 comedians to be good friends because eventually one becomes popular and the friendship breaks, which is why I think Aishwarya and Pavitra will be best friends for life.
We are roasting
Can I do one? What can you say about Pavitra that Aishwarya hasn't already said behind her back?
Oh, damn! So true. So true. I have worked with both of them in many seasons of Son of a Beast. It is true.
So here's the thing, okay?
Even after this lockdown is over, Pavitra will continue to socially distance herself from success.
You know, Pavitra and Aishwarya are best friends. You know how they say that all pretty girls have that one ugly best friend? Pavitra, where is your pretty friend? This is a burn for 2 people. Thank you very much.
Gotta go.
So because it's been established that I'm a slut, Pavi once asked me how to give a blowjob, and she's still stuck on step 1, which is finding a dick. Not able to. Can someone please, Abhish, please show her your face.
Pavitra Shetty is to stand-up comedy what Sunil Shetty is to stand-up comedy. पवित्रा को शक्ति है इसके बाद
Shakti.
अब सिर्फ शाक्या बच रहा है ना?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm the only one? Oh,
by
man.
default.
Have you noticed how every Ashish Shakya story is
Yeah!
Ashish, you're not
What
cute.
is that
Stop
face?
trying to be cute. Be funny.
Ashish Shakya's special was called Life's Good, aka LG, which is ironic because he's the Micromax of comedy.
Okay, so, but you know when Shakya travels on his own bicycle, he's still the third wheel.
Bold of you to assume that I can afford a bicycle, buddy.
I'm a little concerned about Ashish Shakya's income these days because Ashish Shakya's bank account was directly proportional to how much work Tanmay, Khamba and Rohan did.
Abhi,
Why
I
are these
just wanna
why are
say-
these not under facts and why are these being called jokes?
Yeah, Abhish, I just want to say I will show you my bank account right now and prove to you that you are right.
I remember Ashish once made a joke and the audience clapped so hard that Ashish was forced to call on the main act of the evening.
Okay, so Ashish Shakya.
Ashish was an unknown part of a really popular collective. What I'm trying to say is that if AIB was the Golmaal franchise, Ashish was Shreyas Talpade.
Of course you made that joke, Varun. Of course. बेंचोद 2009 से क्वालिटी ऑफ जोक बदला ही नहीं है बेंचोद. जब से टीवी के लिए दिख रहे यही श्रेयस तलपड़े जोक चल रहा है.
उसमें टंग फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है if you say Talpade.
You know that reference is the Shreyas Talpade of references. If Ashish and Aishwarya had a baby, it would be called Sunil Pal.
Oh my god! Yeah.
God.
And
I
just
don't
want to
want
say
Wow.
that the worst part in that joke is still Aishwarya.
You should really see your face, Shakya.
But Aishwarya. But think about it. Ashish is so ugly. He turned Aishwarya celibate.
Yeah, that's what. That's what.
Hey,
There's a super chat. People see Ashish Shakya on his balcony these days and ask him, "Bhaiya, sabzi mandi kab khulegi?"
I'm just going to list out a couple of things which have more views than Shakya's stand-up. So these are legit, okay? The most boring video ever has more views. Giraffe sleeping has more views than Shakya's stand-up. Neville's video, just kidding. It has 3 views. It's so embarrassing. It needs 3 views.
They say you are what you eat. Then by that logic, Shakya क्या तू अपना घू खाता है क्या?
Oh my God, Pavitra, that was just outright mean. Shit, there was no joke. It was just too tutty, and that's what you just said.
it's like Pavitra stole Neville's script. What the fuck?
Oh God. I'm going to die.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining us.